Amy Love here. Welcome back to Snippets of Love. I went to Hobby Lobby yesterday, which is my favorite place to be. Also, there's a Starbucks in the same parking lot, so it's like a win-win. But it's an hour and a half away from me, so I don't go a lot, and when I do, it's a treat. And I don't know about you, but I've been having to have like conversations with myself before I go in and be like, listen, you don't need anything. And if it's not on sale, don't buy it. And friends, I stuck to that almost. So I got this thing of washi, and it was, I think, 15 bucks. Yes, it was. It was 15 bucks. But look how much washi's in there. Because, you know, I'm doing that women's event in May, and I want to make sure we're making some cards with the washi. I have some right here. We're going to be making these. And you need washi tape for that. So I want to make sure I had plenty of options because I have this like giant fear of like running out of supplies during this event. So I'm really trying to like over prepare. So I got more washi and I resisted the temptation to buy the pink washi. Oh my goodness, but the struggle is real, friends, because that's the one I wanted. But I got this one because I thought it would have a lot of other options for people who may not enjoy pink as much as me, which I'm sad to think about, but they're out there. So I picked up one of these for that. They don't have a lot of Easter stuff, but it was 90% off. So I got this. It was 90% off of $5.50. So basically nothing. And I mean, it's cute the way it is, but I got these. Oof, can I get them? They're underneath my computer. I don't know if I can get them out without shaking the camera. We'll try. I got these from Christian Craft Paper, and they are rub-ons. And they're so cute, and I haven't played with them yet, but I'm excited to, and I'm thinking I'm going to probably remove this and put some of that on here, maybe on the top, and then paint this to match whatever I end up putting here. But I just thought it was so cute, and I couldn't resist the price. I mean, it was really hardly any money at all. Change. It was change. And I also got this because it was 87 cents. And I knew I could remove this and then use these rub-ons also on this, which I thought would be cute. So I'm trying to like stock up on some home decor items for craft fair season, and I thought those two would be great. So I got those. These were on clearance for 59 cents. Can you just look at how cute? I couldn't resist these. So they had 3, and I got them because, hello, adorable. So 3 of those. A lot of the jewelry section was 40% off. So I got these because it was just full of charms. Like, look at all the charms in there. And they're all stinking cute and adorable and a lot of pink happening. Look at this bow. I mean, it's just so cute. And this is like a velvet heart, okay? Too cute. So I got those. These weren't on sale. I wish they were. And they are the basically 3x3 note cards with envelopes. I would like to do some like card sets for craft fairs. This is really not the economical way to go. It's like I can make the cards, and I think I'm just going to buy the envelopes. I can make the envelopes too. I have an envelope punch board, but what a pain. I'd rather just get the envelopes somewhere else. So I'm going to look for just the envelopes and do that. So I'd like to make some like card sets to sell at the craft fairs. All right, my favorite place at Hobby Lobby, y'all, is the fabric remnant bin. That is my must stop at. When I go in there, I'm like, okay, one thing I have to look at is the fabric remnant bin. Because they also have like lace remnants and stuff over there. Like I have this one from a long time ago I haven't even used yet, rhinestone, that I got out of that same area. And I was in love. So that's where I bought the most, because look at how cute. And so when I was getting these, when I was looking at them, I was getting inspired. I used to make owl pillows a long time ago, maybe, I don't know, 15 years ago. I mean, a long time ago. And I was like, man, I would love to make a couple of owl pillows to bring with me to the craft fairs and to put in my Etsy. And I thought how cute these go together and how adorable it would be to make an owl out of some of these. But I was like, I wonder if I have my owl patterns. I draft all my own patterns. And to be truthful, it's because I don't know how to read a store-bought pattern. I don't. And I mean, even the ones that you buy and print out yourself are even harder for me. I don't know. It's just easier for me to make it on my own. So I was like, ooh, I wonder. So I'll show you what I got, and then I'll show you what I found when I went digging through my my pattern stash. But look at this. It's like a denim with these hearts. It's so cute. And this, I just felt like matched it so well. This is also like a textured fabric with little blue flowers. It's so stinking cute. And look, that's a good, nice amount of each one of those. And then this with the blue roses. I couldn't resist that. Look at how cute. Well, I couldn't resist any of it or it wouldn't be here with me. I got some lace fabric that I think is so cute. Look at those. Look at that eyelet. You know, I am a sucker for the eyelet. And then here was another eyelet that I got. Love. So this morning I had a little bit of time and I was like, let me dig through my pattern file folder. So I keep all of my patterns. So every time I make a template, I keep it for times like this, because 15 years from now, you never know if you're going to want to remake that thing. So I was digging through and I found, I mean, they're not in the best shape, but I found them. I found my owl pillow patterns. So I'm so excited. I'm hoping maybe tomorrow I will have time to play and put together one of these owl pillows. They're so stinking cute. I can't wait to show them to you. But that was my little Hobby Lobby haul. It was a good time. I didn't buy a lot of things, but I bought enough things. Cha-ching! You know what I'm saying? So thanks for watching, everybody. Don't forget to leave me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment and let me know how you're doing. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye, everybody.